Healthcare Australia is pleased to introduce the new eHCA mobile app. Incorporating the benefits of the eHCA website into an app, giving you access where and when you need it. Getting started is easy. On your mobile phone, simply search for the eHCA app or visit ehca.com.au for download instructions. Tapping on the app icon will start the app and take you to the login screen. Your login ID is your email address and your password is the same as your password for the eHCA website. If you are not already registered, no problem, you can do this via the app. As the app is on your personal phone and always with you, there is no need to sign in each time. The app can remember and keep you logged in. Greeting you on the home screen of the app are real-time alerts. Browse these with a swipe of your finger. Alerts will help you stay on top of things and maximise your work opportunities by reminding you of shifts to confirm and whether you are yet to enter your availability for the coming week. Also from the home screen, navigation tabs provide easy access to all the main areas of the app. Via these tabs you have all the information related to your book shifts. A change in your circumstances? No trouble. Simply update your availability for work. View your payslips anytime via the Payroll tab. Use the Preferences area to adjust where you do and don't want to work. The electronic timesheet area of the app introduces a powerful new way of authorising and getting paid for the shifts you work. Through the app, you no longer need to write out by hand a paper timesheet. This will save time and also eliminates the chance of losing a timesheet. Your timesheet information is automatically supplied to the app and can be directly authorised on the screen by an authoriser at the facility. Once authorised, you can see the status of the timesheet in real time. To get started, tap on the Timesheet tab on the home screen. The next screen displays a list of your timesheets. Two icons indicate what methods of authorisation are possible with each facility. The pen icon indicates the availability of fully electronic submission of timesheets. To electronically submit a timesheet, tap on the timesheet displaying the pen and select Submit Electronic Timesheet. This screen allows you to adjust any changes that occurred while you were on the shift, such as the start and finish times. Simply tap on a time and make an adjustment. You may like to consider selecting the Quick Pay option to further speed up your payment. After review, you can tap Ready for Authoriser to progress to the Client Review screen. At this point, you should pass your phone to the person authorising your shift just as you would have with the traditional paper timesheet. Although you are less involved with the remaining steps of the authorisation process, it is important to have an understanding of the process so that you can assist a person new to the app. The authoriser will first review the details of the shift for accuracy and then select one of two options. If the authoriser is registered as a client user of eHCA, they will then have a password or PIN they can use to authorise the shift. In this case, they can tap the Authorise by PIN option. On the following screen, they will locate their name from the list and authorise your shift either by PIN or password, and they will then return your phone. Simple! In the event that an authoriser is not already registered to authorise with a PIN, they can still authorise by signature. If they have previously authorised a shift with the app, they can select their name from the list, tap Sign and then sign on the screen using their finger or the soft end of the HCA stylus pen. If they have not authorised a shift with the app recently, they only need to enter their details into the app by tapping the plus button on the top right hand corner of the Select Authoriser screen. With either their PIN or the signature method, the authoriser can set the email icon to green, which will mean they will receive an email summary of the timesheet they have authorised. Upon your phone's return, the app will be displaying the receipt screen with a summary of the timesheet that has been authorised and sent. It is possible that you may not have the option to have the shift authorised electronically by a facility. In this case, the pen icon will not be active and the camera icon will remain the only option. This option allows you to complete a normal paper timesheet and still submit this information through the app in the form of a photo. To submit a timesheet using a photo, simply fill in a paper timesheet that reflects your shift and have your authoriser write their name and sign with a pen. Ensure that you enter the full 7-digit timesheet number from the paper version into the field top right of the screen. Place the paper timesheet into a position where a good photo can be taken. Tap the large purple camera icon and take a photo of the paper timesheet. Consider selecting the Quick Pay option for faster payment processing. And finally, tap the Submit Timesheet button to submit the timesheet photo. Just as with the fully electronic method, the app will display the receipt screen for you to review. When you have finished, tap the Done button to close this screen. It is still a requirement to carry your timesheet book to cover for facilities which do not use electronic authorisation. This will also cover you in the event that trouble with your phone prevents you from using the app. These timesheets will drop off the list when you have received payment, and your payslip can then be accessed from the Payroll tab of the home screen. Don't have a smartphone? No problem. With the eHCA website, you are still able to upload a photo or scan of your paper timesheet at any time. By submitting your timesheet electronically via the eHCA app or eHCA website, you can now also select when you'd like to be paid. Want to be paid as soon as possible? Use the Quick Pay option. Want to delay your payment for a week or two? No problem either. Just select a pay date you'd like. It's that easy. The remaining functions of the app can be accessed via the navigation drawer activated by the button top left of the home screen. This will give you easy access to additional items like news, social media feeds, sharing the app, viewing frequently asked questions, and even providing feedback about the app. At Healthcare Australia, we are committed to providing our staff the very best tools. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.